a big hole
So
down
this is a
there.
perfect example of weeding form and how we used to have the mobility to squat and hang out, and then we have to modify. My mom is demonstrating a great half kneel modification there, and Ellery comes in and is demonstrating a beautiful squat and moving mulch from where the mulch needs to be, back to where it needs to be. And then Ellery, can you squat again? Good, squat. And notice how her heels are able to stay on the ground. Great form, slight lumbar rounding, but for a deep squat, that's gonna be normal. And then PJ continues with a nice half kneel position. Notice how her hip mobility allows her to stay pretty neutral through her lumbar spine though. She has good hip mobility. She could have a little more thoracic extension through that middle back. Hitting that with a foam roller and some cat-cow would be great. She has no problem with her sense of humor or modesty. That's great. So just wanted to give you some tips on weeding, and you can check out our other weeding down low video to learn more modifications. But just wanted to show you a little 2.5-year-old and then, you know, what this nice 29-year-old is able to do.